What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. As many of you guys may know, my name's Wyatt. I don't know what I'll title this video as, but I want to bring to light the great side-by-side community and just razors, Can-Ams, whatever in general. They've become a real addiction for me, and I really enjoy the people I've got to meet and just the great community that. So unfortunately, I will be starting this whole channel off taking apart and trading in my razor behind me. I'll walk you around with pretty quick. This is a 2016 Polaris Razor XP Turbo. I've done everything to it. It's got the 17 front end. I've got a Sandworks cage, some Rigid Industries pods, some Gladiator X-Comp tires that are cut. It has a bench seat pad and a stage 4 rock Fosgate stereo, amongst some other things like my Trinity stage 5 exhaust, my ZRP billet radius rods with the billet pull plate, as well as ZRP tie rods with a lifetime warranty, you know. ZRP 6-lug hub adapters. This takes it from, completely replaces the hub and goes straight to a Chevy 6-on-5.5 hub. I just bought those because I felt like using these wheels that I had laying around. So we'll discontinue tonight. I plan on taking the cage off and possibly I have a friend bringing over some stock tires because somehow I lost mine. I don't know where they went, but bringing over some stock Razor wheels and tires, and we will be switching out the hubs and throwing the stocks back on, as well as putting the stock cage back on. And we'll also be pulling the stereo out, so stay tuned. So it's been a second since I checked back in with you guys, but we've gotten a lot done, including obvious no cage. It's now sitting just over here chilling on the floor. Anybody that asks, that is 15% window tint on the windshield. Yeah, sometimes it gets a little dark at night. It's fine, nothing to worry about. I like it, especially in the day. But we've got quite a mess in here. Got the dash torn apart and pulling apart the radio or the stereo. So far that's about it. It's all pretty easy to pull this apart. There's just like 2 little torque set bolts, kind of like this one. Just 2 of those, and then this just slides out and you can lift it up and put it back forward. This is just another 2 Torx bolts and 1 10mm up underneath. Other than that, it's all pretty easy, straightforward. I'll check back in with you guys when I get this all yarded out of there. Oh, and Michael brought over some stocks that I can throw on there. We will be keeping the Gladiators and the 6-lug hubs and everything. Seriously hate to see this thing go. find the right size tool I need. It's just gone. Or maybe I don't have one. Oh, I found it. Get up to the ding. I don't get up to the ding. Uh-oh, the camera battery's dying. Let down. I don't have 2 of those yet. Not that far along in this vlog. Dadgummit. Well, unfortunately the camera battery's dying, so I'm gonna have to go throw it on the charger. I haven't got 2 of those yet, so yeah, I've just been yarding stereo parts out. We'll cut to when the battery's charged. Well, unfortunately the camera battery died last night, so I didn't get to catch everything. But as you can see behind me, we've gotten it put back to stock for the most part. Well, pretty much for the entire part. Stock wheels and tires back on, stock cage, stock seats. There's no stereo. Just got to, I think, sponsors. Unfortunately, I think I'll be leaving the exhaust on. We'll see what happens with that. Anyways, like I said earlier in the video, I just like to bring to light the great community and what the community has to offer. I've met some awesome people. I've made some amazing friends just because of this razor, so it's been awesome and I've really enjoyed it, and I'd like to start sharing it with you guys. There's so much more to come. I'm excited to bring more to you guys and start doing better with bringing the camera with me. We'll be going to the dunes, razor builds, everything. So make sure you guys, sorry if I'm shaking, it's kind of cold out. But make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, share it, comment, whatever. Let me know your guys' suggestions of what you want to see. Like I said, there'll be razor builds. Like, we've got quite a bit coming up. I'm excited to bring to the table. So if you guys could like this video and subscribe, there's so much more to come. Thanks for watching.